Welcome to the PROMOVET case study video. This short instructional video will show you how to use the Facebook platform in your teaching practice. While many of Facebook's features can be used in your teaching practice, for example, you can use a Facebook profile to share photos of a class project or exhibition, or use Facebook groups to share homework assignments with learners. For the purpose of this short video, we will show you how you can use the Facebook Live feature to deliver online lectures to learners through your profile. The Facebook platform allows you to record and upload videos to your profile, but Facebook Live presents you with a new and innovative video option when teaching. Facebook Live is designed to allow you to stream live video through your profile. When using Facebook Live, we recommend that you first create a separate profile for your teaching and add your learners as friends to your profile. In this way, when you broadcast a live video, you know that only your learners are viewing your live video. Facebook Live is a good feature to use if you are teaching learners who cannot always commit to classroom hours. In Facebook Live, you can teach your class as normal, but set up a webcam so that your lesson can also be live streamed on your Facebook profile. This way, absent learners can follow your lesson with their other classmates but not fall behind in coursework. Facebook Live also allows learners watching remotely to send you likes and comments if there are any particular topics in the lesson that they need more help with. To use Facebook Live, simply set up the webcam on your laptop and make sure that it is facing you at the top of the classroom. When your webcam is set up, log into your Facebook profile and click the button that says Go Live. You are now online and streaming your lessons to learners watching at home. You will be able to monitor the number of learners who log on and watch your lesson and ask them to engage in your lesson by using the like and comment functions. Now that you know how to stream your lessons online and provide your learners with online lectures, you can create your profile and test this feature of Facebook. For more ideas on how Facebook can be used in your teaching practice, remember to log on to the PROMOVET platform and check out our compendium of online tools which provides you with advice on how to integrate these online resources in your teaching.